about a trip to New York this year? This is your sign to take one, and what an offer I have for you today. I have a 3-night holiday in New York from only $919 per person, and this includes return flights from Dublin, 3 nights hotel accommodation in the heart of Manhattan, and it also includes your Empire State Building passes, a 24-hour hop-on hop-off bus tour, and tickets to the Edge, which is one of New York's newest attractions. This amazing offer is based on traveling in November, and it's based on 2 sharing. We have lots of great deals on our website for newyorkclickandgo.com, but if you'd like more information on this particular offer that includes those wonderful attractions, you can reach our USA experts 7 days a week on 016995329. They will be more than happy to get you booked up and talk you through anything that you need to know about this fantastic city. I adore New York. It's one of the best cities you can visit, whether you've gone once or twice before or you've never been. There's always something new to do, always something new to see, and this is your sign to take advantage and go there this year. So you know what to do. Clickandgo.com.